So, hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the reliability of the instrument. Instrument here means the questionnaire which we have developed, the questionnaire which we have filled, all these things after completion of our instrument. Now we are going to see the reliability of that questionnaire. So, Cronbach Alpha is one of the most common measure of internal consistency. How much my scale is reliable, whether it is 60% reliable, 70% reliable, 80% reliable, 90% reliable, 95% reliable. The Cronbach Alpha is going to give us this result. It is most commonly used when we have multiple Likert questions in our survey, and that form a scale that we wish to determine if the scale is reliable or not reliable. Like how we are going to analyze that one. First we will go to the analyze again in our SPSS, then we will click on scale, then there is an option for the reliability. There is an option for the reliability, means go to the analyze, go to the scale, reliability is there. Then under reliability you can ignore the demographic questions. It may be the first 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. After that, all the Likert questions, maybe 1 to 5 scales, 1 to 7 scales, 1 to 10 scales, whatever, like strongly disagree to strongly agree, from 1 to 5 or from 1 to 7 or from 1 to 10. We will select all those questions and send to this item, and then we will click on statistics. Must sure that this alpha is selected, and then all these questions will be here. And under statistics also we can click and we can select these item scales and these things. It is not that much important, but we can click and continue. Now here, this reliability table is important. Cronbach Alpha, this number 0.805, here it is saying that my questionnaire, my instrument is 0.805 reliable. It means 80.5% reliability is there for my instrument, which is above acceptance, which is above the acceptance level. Above zero point 0.7 is the acceptance level. So there is a two things, means it will give us the reliability, it will give us the confidence that yes, whatever the questions we have adopted or developed, it's a correct and we are going into the right direction. To understand more, let us see with the help of some example. Let me show you. This is one of the example which I would like to show you from the example of these things. Like you see, your first 5 questions are related with demographic questions like gender, age, marital status, education, position. After that, there are the 5 questions related with one variable. It may be the I believe that it's all about the job commitment. Then there are the 5 questions related with job satisfaction. There is a 5 questions related with employee performance. There is a 5 questions related with employee engagement. So after that, these things it will develop later on, but we will not take in going to these things. We are only going to take those all ordinal scales data for our reliability testing. So how we will do it? We will simply go to the analyze, then we will click on scale, click on reliability analysis, then all will come. We will ignore the first 5 like that one, or then we will select all these things till the all ordinal scales. Don't select these things. Now we can click on, if we want item scale, then scale, if item deleted, leave that point, then continue. Must sure this alpha is selected, then click on OK. Now we can see here the total number of respondent is 110. If more number of respondent is there, more chances of Cronbach alpha is there. So here 0.824, my total number of item which is tested is 20. 20 Likert questions are tested, and 0.824, it means my instrument is highly reliable. We can directly right click on that one, post or paste into the word file, and then we can write the interpretation like this instrument is highly reliable. Sometimes a researcher want to know their each variable reliability. Like what I mean to say is, like you go to the analyze, then descriptive statistics, then go to the scale, reliability is there, uh, then reset it. You want to see that what will be the reliability of 5 questions. Well, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 questions belong to one particular variables. So variable wise, what is the reliability? We can check it. So we can simply click on OK. then we can say the first variable reliability is 0.775. Like this way we can check the overall reliability is 0.8, to which we have seen that one. I hope you got the answer for this one. Let us see the another example. Another example which I would like to show you. Let us see this result. Here again, like first two questions, gender and education is demographic, we can ignore that. Other questions all are related with the ordinal skills, we can take their reliability. So analyze, go to the scale, then check the reliability analysis, then decision making, these all things, and we will select all these things, send to the item, and alpha is selected, then we will click on okay. Then we will see on the output window, this output window. Here it is 0.669. It's okay. 0.669 means here near 2.7, so it is also acceptable. Maybe some of the item is repeated, or some of the item has some contradictory, that's why it is there, but it is also acceptable for that one. So like this way we can do the reliability test for our instrument. I hope you understand this point, and we will go